Hi everyone. Well, my name is Gay Feather and I am Gotta Love Carpet Pythons. Today it is a battle of wills, and it has been of late a battle of wills with Lily. I don't know what's going on with her. All I know is she wants to go to a particular spot and that's where she wants to be. But unfortunately that spot means she gets in there and I can't get her out. So you'll see what I do and how I'm doing it with Lily. She has so many places that she can go and enjoy. There is really, okay, it's somewhere different, I think, which is great and wonderful for carpet pythons. As you will see, I am busy chopping up all the veggies and things for the birds. So I'm not just carpet pythons, I am Antaresia. I have birds, fish, dogs, cats. I don't think I've left anything out. So anyway, let's get on with that video so you can see exactly what I'm dealing with. And how would you do it? What would you do? Would you just eventually put that snake home, or would you persist? I have put her in other places. I've picked her up and I've put her right up in the climb out area and she just comes on back down. So it wasn't ever about changing her thought process and putting her somewhere else. It didn't work and it doesn't work, and I've tried it and I keep trying all sorts of things. So if you've got an answer, or if you know, please let me know. Enjoy. Hi. Well, I don't even know what I would title this video as, and my girl decides she will go in that direction, which I've been insistent on her doing for quite some time now. But Lily has taken to going in a completely different direction, and for some reason she is really insistent on making her way all along the back here of my couch and going up onto my computer and going up behind a pony who is right there and a mare's enclosure, and has been insistent on doing this for a good week or more, and had done it before but was also in between, you know, hanging out in this particular area, which is where Lily normally is. Now, when she goes over to that place behind a pony and a mare, she wedges herself in there, and it is virtually impossible for me to get her out until she decides that she's happy to come out. Now, carpet pythons, honestly, when they get something in their head, when it's in their head and they do it and they've done it and they like it, then they will continue to do it, and they will just keep going and going and going and going. Now Lily is trying to find any way she possibly can to make her way over there, and I do not want her to do it. So for the last few days I have been insistent myself that no, she is not going to be. I'm moving the pillow so that you can see what I'm doing with her, which is I do this and I say, no, you are not going to make your way over to that side of the room. A battle of wills, like, you know, just trying to touch her and I guess in a way annoy her, which I don't really want to do. I'm not letting you go there, Lily. It's just an absolute no. You're not allowed. I don't understand. Like, what is the big deal over? And she will do everything. Like, this is, okay, I will go over your arm this time to get over there. I want to go over there. And I'm thinking to myself, why? Yes, it's a tight little spot and it's probably nice and warm because there are heat panels, and above, of course, the heat penetrates through the wood, and she can make herself really quite comfortable there, can you not? Hey, look at that little face, that gorgeous little face that she has. But gorgeous and all that she is, it's no. Are you going to come up to me? And is this like a little bit of a hug mode, and maybe if I hug my mum, she'll let me keep going? And this is the point when I can't see where the camera really is right now, but yeah, it is. She is making her way, definitely making her way to the direction I don't want her to go. And she doesn't care if she has to climb over me, and uses me and battles. It's a battle of wills. And I need my hand back. Can I have my hand back, Lil? Please? Like, and she gets faster and faster and faster and faster. You can see. This is, whoa. What I've been doing for days. And how do you stop a carpet python from going somewhere where you do not want them to go? Is where I'm at. And no, you think that you're faster than me, but you are not faster than me, and I'm not letting you go. There is no way I'm going to let you go over there. So if you think that, you know, carpets are amazingly intelligent And but most of all, oh sorry darling, I didn't mean to startle you like that, but they get something in their head. Honestly, they do. They get something in their head, and it's the end of the story. It is then the battle of the wills begin. So maybe that's what I'll title this video, the battle of the wills with a snake. You could say, because I'm exhausted, guys. I am truly exhausted with Lily. And I do get to the point, after battling this for an hour, I put her home. Because I just can't keep doing it. And I, you know, have done a video where I said she makes me feel guilty. Well, guess what? She makes me feel guilty. And I wish that you didn't and weren't doing what you were doing. And just, there's so many places for you to go and enjoy. You do not need to be going up behind those enclosures. And the only thing I can think is to move them away from the wall and block off underneath them so that she actually cannot get there and get her body wedged in slightly under the enclosure and up against the wall. And yeah, but sure do love using their tails to hang on to things, as you can see. And Lily is certainly darkening up in her older age, but still a very, very beautiful girl, and has been, and is, not has been, is one of my chilled, easygoing snakes, but is certainly one that puts me through, what would be the word? Oh, goodness gracious, I can't think of the word, but yeah, the hoops, I guess, of who will win, who is going to win. And in the end, neither of us win, because she goes home, and I do not like doing that to her after she's come out. I want her to be out. I want her to be enjoying life out of her enclosure. But there's boundaries, and there's things that I cannot do and not allow. But you tell that to a carpet python. You try telling that to a carpet python. She knows I don't want her to go there. She absolutely 100% knows I do not want her going there. It doesn't matter. She wants to go there. That's the end of the story. So I could keep going, and I could keep showing you the insistence from her and the persistence from me in preventing her. And yeah, gorgeous, beautiful, amazing, wonderful carpet pythons. They'll test you, and I think that's a wonderful thing. I like a snake that tests you and yeah, mentally can push you. Hey Lily. Oh, does she know my hand's there? And I don't want her to move, and she knows I don't want her to move. She's just waiting for me to relax, and when I relax, and she thinks, she's forgotten, but I haven't. She'll start moving, won't you? Hey? So, while I keep doing what I'm doing. You take care of yourself. And I'll be back, as I always am, with a new video as often as I can. Ciao.